Operating Guide of Portable X-ray Machine. Portable X-ray machine for use in a clinical setting. Require radiological image of various parts. Intended use for the limbs or other body parts with less attenuation. Extra imaging of tissue for clinical diagnosis. Suitable for limbs, cervical vertebrae, head, chest, etc. Suitable for various departments and occasions. Cover only a small area, easy to use. Can reduce the radiation dose for doctors and patients. Open the case. Accessories such as main unit and flag panel detector are placed in the mobile box. Ensure equipment safety. Box placed horizontally. Open the lock. Open the top of the box lightly. See the flat panel detector. Take out the flat panel detector. Place on the safe plan. The main machine and various accessories are placed on the bottom layer. Portable X-ray machine. Portable SR machine charging cable. Length shield limit. Exposure manual brake. Wireless network interface card, wireless network interface card software, USB flash drive, flat panel detector, charging cable and charger. Wireless mouse and keyboard. Accessories for the digital panel detectors. Flat panel detector cable. Flat panel detector network cable. Flat panel detector handle. In order to shoot better, we included 2 sets of bracket combinations. It contains 2 scapholes, 1 hole space A, 1 hole space B. A detector stand. By releasing the buckle on the leg of the bracket, to adjust the required bracket height, and fasten the buckle to fix. Pay attention to the level at this time. Guarantee bracket level. I like the school hall on the hose bay A with the school. Rotate clockwise and fix. Unscrew the screws and buckles on the hose base B. Start on the brackets. A snap on the buckle. Tightened screws. Assembly is complete. Take out another bracket. Adjust the highlight the previous bracket. Screw the lock buckles. Put a screw hole on the detector bracket. Alignment screw. Rotate clockwise in phase. Assembly is complete. Install the X-ray machine. Install the flat panel detector. All installations complete. Appearance of the X-ray machine. Shoot button. Power on operation indicator. Power button. Control software hidden key. USB interface. Open the bottom dust cover. Shooting handbrake interface. Charging interface. If you need the shelf limit, please install the shelf spacing on both sides of the length. Plug it into the car slots. Flat panel detector. On one side of the flat panel detector, there is a charging port, power button, status prompt area. The charging interface on the flat panel detector is a magnetic connection. Connect to this cable with a touch. Convenient and fast. Power button, power prompt light. Panel status light, networking status light, battery level light. Operation. The X-ray machine in the front panel detector is shown in the figure. Repair for work. Press the power button at the top of the machine. After the beep sound, wait for a while and the machine will turn on. After entering the system, automatically open the operation interface. At this time, press the control software hidden button on the instrument. The control software is switched to the background. Click the navel icon in the lower right corner. Check if it's connected to the front panel detector. The SSID identification password of the final detector is numbers 129. Yellow exclamation mark appears on the wireless network interface card logo, indicates that the connection is successful. If the machine had been connected to the flat panel detector before, it will automatically connect. No need to operate again. Run the PZDR software on your desktop. Enter the password 1 on the login interface. Click Login. After entering the software, first look at the lower right corner of the software interface. To check is the connection status of the front panel detector normal? Now click the status icon with the mouse. The connection status of the detector can be displayed from left to right in order: detector temperature, detector battery, detector connection signal strength, disk capacity, panel detector serial number. As shown in the picture, enter patient information sequentially. Patient's name is required. Select the shooting location, select the body position, then click Check. As shown in the picture, the table icon in the lower right corner of the software changed to yellow color. The left side indicates that the detector is ready. When ready, the table icon in the lower right corner of the software changed to blue color. Left tip detector is ready. Please expose. At this time, press the Control Software Call Out button on the instrument. Call out Control Software. The software shows green color, ready. Then set the various parameters of the control software. Measure the distance. Line the cursor. When shooting, press and hold the exposure button or handbrake pattern of the instrument. Just release it after hearing a long beep. The operation interface is divided into 4 modes. There are icon modes with part icons. Text mode with Chinese character icon. Here is the voltage used in the diagram. Current in time. Digital pattern with digital icon. English mode with English icon. Here is the voltage used in the diagram. Current and time. As shown in the picture, switch back to the shooting software interface. Wait for a few seconds, the capture image will appear. At this moment, image can be processed by the processing software on the right. Click Finish after processing is complete. Images are automatically saved as cases. This shooting is complete. If you need to increase your position to take a photo, please click Add Position. Select the location to be photographed. Choose the position you need. Click OK. There will be an extra position to be photographed here. Also see the bottom prompt, detector is ready. Please expose. The detector icon in the lower right corner changed to blue color. You can shoot again. To view the photographed cases or other operations, you can click Database on the right side of the screen. In the upper left corner, according to the name, number, check number. Choose the appropriate time you can inquire about specific cases. Check the corresponding case. Finally, click the View button. You can call up the X-ray taken. Here it is. You can also operate the taken pictures. If you need other operations, you can take the case first, then click the function button below. They are modifying information, printing, reporting, and exporting. Export Excel file, review. New review, upload, send email. Parks queue, writing and recording, delete. Take export as an example. Click the Export button. Check the desired export mode here. Select the specific location you want to export. Click OK. The exporting process is complete. To print, check the case you want to print. Then click the Print All icon on the bottom of the software. Enter the print interface. First, select Layout tools on the right. Change the layout of the middle image display area, then drag the image on the left to the middle display area. The View tool on the right processes the image. After processing, select the film size, print direction, and scale supported by the printer. Click Print. The printer selection interface will be displayed in the center of the interface. Select the set printer. Click Print. For local printing, please click to print locally. Select a properly local printer. Click to print. To upload POCs, please take the required case. Click the Upload button below. After popping up the POCs interface, set the relevant parameters. Click Upload Attitude 70kva up here. Then close the POCs selection interface. Click the POCs queue icon below. The case just checked will be displayed on the interface. Check the cases you want to upload. Click Start to upload to the POCs system. After the upload is complete, it will disappear from the send queue. Network settings connected to the flat panel detector. On the desktop, right-click on the network icon. Select Properties. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on the WLAN icon. Select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4 with the mouse. Then click Properties. The IP address in the mask is 192.168.11.252, 255.255.255.0. Linking and setting up the field printer. Add a film printer. First, insert a USB-Y network interface card into the instrument. At the same time, the customer is required to provide the AA name of the printer, Internet Protocol address, gateway, port number, and Internet Protocol address required for instrument access to the network. Put the wire to the network interface card interface protocol address and gateway. Modify to the instrument Internet Protocol address and gateway provided by the customers. Click OK after modification. Open the software. Click the Settings button. Enter the password 1 after the dialog box pops up. Enter Settings. Click on the Print Configuration interface. Change the AA title to the AA name provided by the hospital Canon. Select the film size supported by the printer. Enter the printer provided by the hospital Internet Protocol address 192.168.5.2. Import number 8801. Click Test. The interface under Test appears. A prompt that the test was successful will appear. Click Modify and restart the software manually. Printer setup complete. The setup of the POCs system. Connect to the POCs system. A USB-Y network interface card needs to be inserted into the instrument. Customer is required to provide POCs system, Internet Protocol address and port number of work list. In the A&M and the interface protocol address required for the instrument to access the network. Change the Internet Protocol address of the wired network interface card into the Internet Protocol address 192.168.8.42 provided by the customer. Click OK after modification. Open the software. Click the Settings button. Enter the password 1 after the dialog box pops up. Enter Settings. Click POCs Storage to enter the interface. Enter the AA title P1 provided by the hospital. Internet Protocol address 192.168.8.2 and port number 5501. Click Test. The interface under Test appears. A prompt that the test was successful will appear. Finally, click Modify. Click Job List to enter the interface. Enter the AA title W1 provided by the hospital. Internet Protocol address 192.168.8.2 and port number 11104. Click Test. The interface under Test appears. After waiting for a few seconds, a prompt with a successful test will appear. Finally, click the modification, manually restart the software. POCs system setup complete. Thanks for your watching.